In today's short video, I want to show you how to enable microphone when you are recording your screen on your iPhone. First of all, we go to Settings, we scroll down and look for Control Center. We tap it and we need to find Screen Recording. We hit plus and now our screen recording button is added to our Control Center. Now we want to swipe from upper right corner to down to go to your Control Center. We can see now we have this dot. Tap it and hold for 2 seconds. Now we have microphone option to be enabled. Once we tap it, microphone will be enabled during recording your screen, exactly as I'm doing it now. If this video was helpful, please tap like button and see you in the next videos.